Hey there, welcome back to Printer Tales. Having trouble getting your HP Envy 6455E connected to Wi-Fi? Tried a few times and still no luck? Don't worry, in today's video, I'm gonna show you the simplest way to get connected using the HP Smart app, step by step and hassle-free. For one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. If you want to follow the video, let's jump right in and get your printer connected. Go to your printer's back right, below the power button, and you'll see this round wireless button. Press it and hold it for 3 seconds. That will put your printer into setup mode. Next, swing around to the front of the printer and check for a flashing purple light. That's your green signal that the setup mode is active. Alright, now grab your smartphone and make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your printer to use. Head over to your App Store, download the HP Smart app and either sign in with your existing HP account or make a new one. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials related to HP printer, tell us your issues in the comments. Once you're signed in, open the HP Smart app, go to the home screen and tap on Add Printer. On the printer setup page, select the new printer option. Now, select your HP printer series from the list. That will make sure the app talks to the right machine. The app will start searching for the Wi-Fi network. Just hang tight for a sec while it does its thing. When your network pops up, type your Wi-Fi password and tap on Continue, and your printer's connected and ready to roll.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.